I have been working for more than 2 years in this company, and this is the first time that we are going for a company outing because of course of the pandemic. The venue of our outing is in MARIBAGO BLUEWATERS. I've actually been there probably 4 or 5 times, but yeah, it's my first time with this company to go there, and I'm really excited. Our pickup point is at Ideapad, which is where our office is located. And to go there, of course, I have to use public transportation. I went back home because I want to get my hat because it's really hot today. It's actually 11, so it's expected to be really hot. And it's really hot. I have to eat lunch first here in Jollibee. Maribago is so crowded today. Like, there's a lot of people here. It's not just our company. As you can see, there's a lot of people. There's a lot of tents in here. Now it's time to explore this resort because I think this resort is also one of the best here in Cebu. Event is at this tiny island. We are exclusively renting the island for our event, and as you can see, this is just a tiny island, but I think this is enough for us because I think there's only less than 50 of us in here.